Hello, my name is Lisa Garces. I am going to talk making a presentation about my best friend. She is my best friend. Her name is Shirley Alvarez. My best friend is 33 years old. She loves to serve God. She loves to sing. She likes to cook. She likes soup. I know my best friend likes and dislike which are. My best friend liked to ride a, a bike a lot. She liked to eat banana. When she was little, she liked to eat mango. My best friend always remembered that she didn't like it. She didn't like cherry juice. She didn't like to eat salad. She disliked to potato with carrot. My best friend couldn't do many things when she was a child. For example, she couldn't ride a horse because she was afraid of heights. She couldn't go out to play at night because she was scared. When my friend was little, she had a lot of flexibility in her body. My best friend now has many abilities. For example, she can ride her bike in many tricky places. She can ride a horse without fear. She can go to church every Sunday. She can go to park every Saturday with her family. Thank you.